Welcome back to the channel, guys, and in this video we are going to talk about the DJI mic mini. And I can tell you people, this mic, I'm using it right now and I'm telling you, the only problem I have with this mic, it doesn't work with my phone because of the camera, the default camera app. If you have a certain Samsungs, they have the Pro video. If your Samsung doesn't have Pro video, you cannot use this on your mobile phone. You have to get a different app. Certain apps are not compatible with Samsung anymore. So even the DJI MIMI app I can't download right now, and I wanted to update the firmware of the mic mini, but this is just a test and to show you what's inside the box really. So inside the box you have the mic, charging cable, charging dock, wind mouse, and a type C connector to connect the transmitter to your phone. You still can connect your phone to Bluetooth though, but I'm telling you, this is the best thing. And I want to test the noise cancellation because I didn't test it. So double click 2 times on the power button, they say. Nah, I didn't see this come up. That's why I need the MIMI up. But maybe it's on and I don't know. But yeah, as I said, still I love this mic. This mic is I'm gonna use this more outdoor and do vlogs, cooking, everything. So this is just a showcase and test the audio quality really. But when I'm outside more, I'm gonna test it more the realest way, people. So thanks for watching. Same way, stay tuned. And you just see the audio testing of the DJI mic mini and the Sony A6400. So please give us up. Stay tuned to the channel. Big up.